So we talk about magic selection tool is used to select the same colors. We also talk about quick selection tool. We will talk about it. And also we talk about the object selection tool. So let's talk about this person. This person is also an object. Click on object selection tool and call this. And now computer start to process. Select this picture. But objects are something really small in an image. But we selected a big area. Let me to see what happened. You can see the person is now completely selected. Now which selection is a good selection tool? هنكون by full زاوية. All selection tools are good selection tool. For example, using this selection tool, object selection tool, you cannot select rectangular area. Using object selection tool, you cannot select elliptical area. Everything, all the selection tools are good selection tool. Now you can Ctrl C and paste it in another area. So let's talk about quick selection tool. Quick selection tool is used to select some area as quick as possible. But quick selection tool is not in this selections, not in this group of selection, not in these groups of selection, and also not in groups of these selections. So you can find quick selection tool when you click on 3 dots. And this is quick selection tool. I add this selection in here. But when you open your computers, quick selection tool will not be here, and you should click on edit toolbar. In edit toolbar in this list, you should find a quick selection tool. Come down. Now my quick selection tool is already in here. For example, now you find quick selection tool. Press this and add this to this area. Now you can use quick selection tool. So click on done. Now select quick selection tool. Quick selection tool is like this. Just press your cursor, press your mouse, and hover over this image. Automatically select the object. Come down, and automatically this will select your picture. This is also good selection tool. For example, this area. So in quick selection tool, we also have these options: add to selection tool, subtract from selection tool, and also single selection tool. Now I want to add to selection tool. These areas are missing. You can add this to your selection. But you can see that I add this area also to my selection. Now I use subtract selection to cancel again this area. Just subtract this area. Now when the picture is completely selected, you can copy it and paste it in another area. This was our today's lesson that we talk about these 3 selection tool: magic selection tool, quick selection tool, and also object selection tool. سمنا selection شوية تروسا وداس داني شوية دا selection tool صرف ياو tool بادرا pen tool دي سيدا صرف ياو tool بادرا بيادا first group ختم شو صبا بالجروب تاتبا وخايا سيدا. So let me to type all the selection tool: rectangle selection tool, elliptical selection tool, polygonal selection tool, laser selection tool, magnetic selection tool, magic selection tool, object selection tool, quick selection tool. باللقطة ذا يودوا دريد move tool is used to move the selected area. No دانش شویده کنه. And we will talk about the 10th selection tool which is pen tool. Question. دا چې ختم شو بیا د بل ګروپ سٹارټ کوو. صحیح ده؟ سلیکشن ډېر مهم دی. چې مهم دی په دې خاطر دلته tools هم ډېر دي. فوټوشاپ سلیکشن बहुत अहम है. क्वेश्चन नशा